In less than 10 minutes, I got over $900 in free products sent to my porch. And not only that, I'm getting increased commissions and the products have the highest earning potential. Or in other words, products that have insanely high revenue and extremely low competition. Right here, I've got my family going to work unboxing all the products now that I have to make videos for. I got a batch yesterday as well, and products just keep coming. And it's taking literally no effort. It's the easiest thing that I've ever seen. And I'm going to jump into my screen and I'm going to break down the step-by-step process. So let's get into it. So give me 5 minutes. This strategy is so simple. We're on my kitchen table. I'm going to walk you guys through the exact process on how I'm getting free products literally sent to my porch on autopilot without any heavy lifting. So what we're going to be doing is leveraging what's called the Creator Connections program inside the Amazon Influencer program. If you guys don't know about it, I have some other videos on the channel that you guys can go check out. But once you're approved for this program, it is a way to get increased commissions. So instead of making 2 to 4%, you can make 10, 20, even up to 30% commissions. And then not only that, it is extremely easy to get brand collaborations with sellers to send you free products. And then as you get these free products, you make the videos and you get the amazing commissions. And then there's also strategies on picking and finding the best products. So let's jump into my screen and break this down. So we're on the Creator Connections portal. If you guys don't know how to get there, the Viral View extension actually has a shortcut where you just come right here and click Creator Connections. It will take you to this page. And this is where it can get really confusing really quickly. There's 174,000 campaigns and this number is just growing every single day, and it's just insane to see how big this program is actually getting. And each individual campaign, there could be anywhere from a couple products all the way up to a couple hundred products. So we're talking about millions of products inside these campaigns that are going to give you the increased earnings if you can get your hands on them, and then if you accept the campaign. So as you can see, you can get the commission rate of 25%, 15%, 25%. But you have to have the product, you have to make the video, and you have to accept the campaign, and then you submit the videos. So Viral View is actually going to help automate this entire process. And like I mentioned, in a matter of 10 minutes, I got $900 of free product. And then not to mention, I'm going to be getting reoccurring commissions basically for the rest of my life on those products. So from there, what you're going to do is you're going to, again, open up Creator Connections and you're going to click on Open Product View. And from here, it's going to pull all of the products from the campaign and sort them from best to worst. Or in other words, products that have good revenue, good 30-day sales, and extremely low competition. And the way that we gauge the competition is by what's called the total influencer video count. Now, no other software has this metric, and this is a metric that gives you the entire view of a product listing. Or in other words, whether or not an Amazon influencer video is being displayed on the product listing, Viral View's database will be able to tell you if there are additional videos. So if we come and filter this out from most influencer videos to the least, there are products that have 576 total influencer videos. There are products that have 414, 330. And people wonder why they're not making money in the influencer program. And it's because they're reviewing products that have an insane amount of competition with 500 competing influencer videos. Think about it. If you were to have that product, make a video review, the chances of being in top carousel is slim to none. So you need to find products that are doing good 30-day revenue, but extremely low competition. And again, that's where Viral View helps. So this product is doing $260,000. There's 2 total influencer videos, and the commission rate is 20%. So if we can get our hands on this, we're going to be cashing in every single day on these increased commissions, 20% on a $260 product. So the golden question is, well, how do we actually get that product for free? And that is where the automated brand Reachout tool that Viral View integrates into this extension comes into play. So right here, you're going to see this message summary. You'll see the template. You can see the send message. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to edit the template. So we're going to create a template that we're going to be using to reach out to these brands. These brands want influencers like me and you to review their products. And so we need to reach out to them. So we're going to create a template like, hey, my name is Trevin. I'm an Amazon influencer. I'm interested in this product. And then ASIN is the placeholder. So the software will actually replace ASIN with the actual ASIN. And then it says, would you be interested in providing a sample or samples for this product? And in exchange for a shoppable video, here's my storefront. That's the template. You guys can come up with whatever template you want, plug it into ChatGPT, come up with something fun, different, unique, and yeah, just get creative with it. So don't just copy this. So from there, I'm going to hit save. Then from there, I'm going to be like, okay, I want this slushy machine because obviously 260,000, that's a lot and very low competing influencer videos. If you need some rock glue, maybe I want this humidifier, or this stress relief supplement, or this meat thermometer, or whatever. I'm just going to go in and start clicking all of these products. So I'm going to just click, click, click. And we have what? 13 ASINs selected, and 11 messages are going to send. And I just hit send, and just like that, Viral View is automating the reach out, and they're sending that template that we created to all of these brands. And then they're going to reply and say they're interested. They're going to ask for your address, then you reply with your address, and boom, you're going to lock in brand deal after brand deal, free product after free product, all by clicking a few buttons. And again, not only that, but you're finding the best products, the highest earning potential, that have low total influencer videos, that have high revenue. And again, I just showed you guys proof on my front porch. Like, this is insane. And my brother's doing this. He's getting like 20, 40 boxes every single day from this exact strategy. We're giving you guys everything that we are currently doing in our 6-figure influencer business, and we want you guys to take advantage of it. So Viral View has been an absolute game changer when it comes to getting free products, finding the best products, and I'll show you guys proof that this actually works. So right here, you're going to see that I'm in both top and bottom carousel for basically all of these products, and all of them are Creator Connections products, and all of them are doing insane revenue, and they're just crushing it. And I'm in both top and bottom. Like, look at that, 39,000, both top and bottom, 45,000, both top and bottom, 17,000, 39,000, 47,000. All of these products are Creator Connections. All of them are from free samples that they sent to me, and all of them I'm getting the increased commissions. So it works. And the last part to this is actually accepting the campaigns for all of the videos that you have done. This can be a very tedious and annoying task, but Viral View also has an automation tool that will literally do this on autopilot. So you come right here and you hit accept related campaigns, and then you hit start. And what this is going to do is it's going to find and accept all campaigns that you have videos for. And this is going to almost immediately increase your commissions. And when you're starting to do all these brand deals with, 10, 20 products showing up on your porch every single day, trying to find these campaigns, submitting them, accepting them, and uploading content for them is the most tedious thing ever. And to be honest, it's almost impossible to do perfectly. And so this tool is going to go in. There's 1,600 ASINs that is checking against the campaign database, and it's going to find and accept them. And then at the very end, it's going to submit the content. So you don't have to do anything. What used to take hours and hours to do manually, you can now do with a click of a few buttons. So this is an insanely powerful feature. You can automate brand reach out. You can now find, accept, and submit videos, all a few clicks of a few buttons thanks to Viral View. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like the video, subscribe, drop a comment, and we will see you in the next one.